With us today, we have the SIG Pro Force MPX-K electric airsoft gun. Now, SIG Sauer and Pro Force actually work together to create these licensed airsoft replicas. That means it has all of the same SIG roll marks that you could expect to find on the real steel version. You have your flash hider up front here, some flip-up irons. There's of course a full-length top Picatinny rail for optics mounting. Here on the left side you have your folding stock. Just flick it out to deploy. The magazine release is ambidextrous and releases your 100 round mid-cap magazine. If you're familiar with M4 controls, this is the same exact thing. You have a 3-position ambidextrous safety selector. Your options are safe, semi, or of course, fully automatic fire. The exterior is completely polymer, but your gearbox is full metal. As always, your adjustable hop-up system is right here in your ejection port. The handguard is M-LOK compatible and allows mounting of accessories at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions. You can expect between 280 and 300 feet per second with 2.0 BBs. The MPX-K is very lightweight, coming in at 3.7 pounds. The trigger guard is slightly enlarged in case you are playing in the cold and maybe you're wearing gloves.